Hi guys on YouTube, we've got our brand new Bosch Exxcel freestanding dishwasher. I've loaded it up and I'm going to do an intensive wash on this cycle. Just get some. We're going to use Finish Powerball all-in-one detergent. Well, actually, when we first opened the dishwasher, it came free with some of these. So I'm going to put one of these in and see what they do. And I'm going to shut the lid. Going to turn it on. And I'm going to go to intensive. 2 hours 23 minutes. And we press start. The drain is so quiet on this. It's filling up now. This is the same dishwasher as what my auntie's got, except it didn't have the delicate program on it, and it's white as well, as my auntie's has a delicate option and it's silver. It says there's no rinse aid, and yeah, but I filled it up with some salt. Yeah. Can you hear that? It's very quiet. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.